Hello. After getting much emails about giving the overview of my Globus business simulation, I decided that in this video, I'll just be taking you through what it entails in running the simulation. So I'll be handling each panel starting with the product design, marketing, compensation, special contract, corporate citizenship, and finance and cash flow. So without taking much of your time, we'll start with the design page. This is the design page, and it's splitted into two. We have the action capture camera and the UAV drone. Now you're inheriting a company that's selling both camera and the drone, because I think they are complementary. These products are complementary. They complement each other, because if you have a camera and you want to take quality pictures uh, about nature and anything, it's more effectively if you use a drone. And again, if you have a drone, you'll not be able. If you have a drone and you don't have a camera, definitely there's nothing that will do with your drone. So in this company, we are selling two products. So I'll start with my design page. Here we have the image sensor size. So this is the size. We have the LCD display, the image quality, the number of photo models. Here we have product enhancement. I can have camera housing. So that's the housing of my camera, the capabilities for sharing or editing, the included accessories in my camera. Then we have performance features. You just input the value that you have while designing your camera. The number of AC models, here it is. Then you have the product expenditures. Now, in this page, what you should be aiming at is just make your product affordable and simple. Don't be very over ambitious because you want to develop these cutting edge products, like you want to give the best of the best, because at the end of it, high quality will mean that the product will be very expensive, and this will result in high price sales, or the high selling price, and it will result in not making any profit. So as you design on your product, also you should ensure that you are monitoring your projected performance, because if you can see my performance here, let's say this is my PQ rating and I want it to be at 5. There are chances that I can give different qualities, but at the same time I get the PQ rating of 5. And this is my earnings per share, which is very important in the design page. And the other margins, we have the return on equity, the credit rating, the image rating, the net revenue, the net profit, and the ending cash. Now, if I say, let me just, I want you to look at my, I want you to look at my net profit as I'm designing my product. So let me say, let me put it at, you can see that I'm reducing my, because I've not yet started making decisions. That's why you can see it's in negative. So this is, it's like I'm getting some profit. So it's a deduction from my net profit. Then if again I say I reduce here, you'll see that it's I'm making some sales, and what's happening is that my earnings per share are not getting right. They are reducing. So if I put it at that, you can see the change here. So basically, this page is just designing the camera and the drones. Again, here we have built-in camera, not upgrade, minor upgrade, significant upgrade, and these other properties, the obstacle sensors. You can make it to be front only, rear and front, the 360 degrees basic, 360 degrees enhanced, and so forth. Then the product R&D expenditure. This is the value that will be used in your R&D. So it's like my expenditure in my R&D, in my designing of the product. This this is the most important thing again that I normally encourage people to look at is this assembly cost, because you should be aiming at reducing it. Don't because if you start the game, don't be this of ambitious guy that you want to develop the best of the best. You'll end up having low sales, and it will impact your company. So let's move on to marketing.